So for today, we have got a small kind of project. So as you guys can see, we have got an SLK 200 compressor in front of us. Probably the most hideous thing about it is the headlights, except the Audi over there. So what we're gonna do in this video, we are gonna actually just clean and polish one of the headlights so you guys can see a great before and an after, and then we'll probably do the other one off camera. So for this, we are gonna use a few tools. Basically, this is a bucket with soap in it, and somewhere inside there, where is it? Over here, there is wet sandpaper. It is 2000 grit. And then after that, we are gonna go and use this, which I can't pronounce, Farecla? Some help, please? Farecla. So we're gonna use this G3 regular grade, and obviously gonna use a polishing mop. So this part is the part that I love the most. I'm gonna send John for some hard labor work. Basically now we've got a blanket over the engine. It's just to avoid when we do polish the light so it doesn't shoot all over the engine bay. So basically we're just gonna wash the light and sand it down a bit. Now, doesn't that look good? This light is totally fogged up. So basically just moved it out of the sand grit paper. Oh, that's soft. That's actually like a baby's bum, eh?
That's fine.
It's like it's like John's butt. Okay, so we are gonna move to the stage where we're gonna polish it. No freaking way, that looks so much better. So that's only the first stage of polishing. We're gonna polish it again. I just want to give you guys a quick example. Let's zoom up over here. Like, just look at that, look at how horrible it looks like. And if we go to the other side, jeez Louise, that is insane. So what we're gonna do is we are gonna move the car to a place where there's some better lighting or worse lighting, one of the two, so you can see the difference. But my gosh, that looks so darn good. That is a massive difference. I'm not gonna lie, it looks so much better in person than on camera. The camera can't justify of how freaking brand new it looks like. Oh my gosh. Usually I see things like this in videos such as this, but I had the privilege to actually be here to see the difference. It is freaking amazing. John did a good job. I did some great supervising. That is it for the video. I do hope that the products and the way we did it helped you guys out a lot, so you will also be able to restore your light.